Kajabi has a 3.5 out of 5 on Trustpilot from over 2,300 reviews, which sounds low until you read them. The complaints are almost never about the platform not working. They're about price, support quality, and decisions Kajabi has made in the last year or two that have frustrated long-term customers. I tried the 14-day free trial myself. Here's what I found, and here's what a much larger pool of users says. Let's start with what people genuinely like. And unlike a lot of platforms, Kajabi's positive reviews aren't just about ease of use. They're about business results. 1. That list is the whole point of Kajabi. Website, funnels, email, courses, downloads, all in one place. For someone who's replaced 5 or 6 separate tools with one platform, the price starts to make more sense. 2. This one's worth paying attention to. They're not leaving because Kajabi is bad. They're leaving because Kajabi is more than they need. That's actually honest self-awareness. The platform has a learning curve, and if you're running something simple, you'll feel the weight of all those features. 3. Named reviewer, named business. That specificity matters. These aren't anonymous 5-star reviews. This person built a music theory education company on Kajabi and credits the platform and the support team directly. Now the complaints. And this is where it gets interesting because the product itself rarely gets the blame. What comes up again and again is support quality, pricing decisions, and feature changes that feel like they're pushing existing customers toward higher cost tiers. 1. The timing here is the problem. The satisfaction survey went out before the issue was resolved. That's an automated system that doesn't know the difference between we replied and we fixed it. It's a small detail, but it tells you something about how the support infrastructure is built. 2. 7 years. That's not someone who had a bad onboarding experience. Long-term loyalty followed by a sharp decline in service quality is a pattern that shows up in multiple Kajabi reviews from 2024 and 2025. Something has shifted in how they handle support at scale. 3. The before and after framing here is unusually clear. Same person, same platform, very different conclusion. The price increase combined with a reduction in contacts is what changed the calculation. Paying more for less is a hard thing to spin. 4. This is a specific product decision that frustrated a lot of users, removing a free feature to sell an AI upgrade. It's not unique to Kajabi, but when you're already paying over $100 a month for the platform, being pushed toward another $90 add-on for subtitles lands differently. Here's what stands out after reading through hundreds of Kajabi reviews. Almost no one says the platform doesn't work. The courses load, the emails send, the funnels convert. The complaints are about what Kajabi does as a company. Price changes with little notice, features being removed to push AI upgrades, support quality declining as the company scales. The people who love it are running full businesses on it and getting real results. The people who are frustrated are often long-term customers who feel the relationship has changed. Both things are true at the same time. Kajabi is a genuinely powerful platform. If you're building a business around courses, coaching, and digital products, and you want one tool instead of 5, it's probably worth the price. But it's not a beginner platform. The learning curve is real, and so is the cost. And if you're planning on staying long-term, go in knowing that Kajabi has made pricing and feature changes that have caught existing customers off guard more than once. Not sure if it's the right fit? I built a free tool at ddiy.co, answer 9 questions, get a personalized recommendation in 2 minutes. Link in the description.